Hello friends, today I will show you a very secret trick to add lights in Photoshop. With this quick trick you can add light in less than 15 seconds, so without wasting our time let's go. Because I am making a tutorial so it will take more time, but after learning this trick you will be able to do this within 15 seconds. First of all, make sure that your foreground and background colors are set to default. To select the default colors just press the D button from your keyboard. And make sure white color is selected as your foreground color. Create a new layer and change its blending mode from normal to color dodge. Then double-click on the layer to open the Layer Style window. In Layer Style window, just uncheck this Transparency Shapes layer option. And click OK. Now select the brush tool. As you can see, a small plus sign is showing in the middle of my brush tool. Let me tell you how can you enable this. To enable this, just go to Edit. Then go to Preferences. Then choose Cursors. If this Show Crosshair option is unchecked, then check this option and click OK. It's done. Now on top make sure that the flow is set to 5%. Make a duplicate copy for backup. Resize the brush. Make sure your foreground color is white. I will paint on the bulb right here. Just click at the same place again and again, until you like the maximum light. Okay, I'm happy with this. And you can also move this light beam. Let's add some glow. To add the light glow here, create another new layer. And change its blend mode from normal to overlay. Select the brush tool again, and make it larger than your object. Click again and again at the same place until it looks bright. And now let's add some light here, to make it more realistic. Let me show you one thing here. The light glow is also affecting the background and that's wrong. We have to remove this light glow from background. I will use mask here. If you don't know how to use the mask, you can watch my basic tutorials. And also remove from the outside of lantern, because it's lightening from the inner side and there is no any other source of light from outside. Now it's looking realistic, see before, and after. Now I'll show you that, how can you add the light in yellow color. Repeat the all previous steps, add new layer, change its mode from normal to color dodge, then open the layer style window, then uncheck the transparency shape, set the glow to 5%, and paint by click, at the same place. For this I will choose the bright yellow color. Oops. Make sure you are using a soft brush. Because here I will paint two lights, so I am counting the clicks to apply the same amount on both lights. Now I will add glow. To add the glow, just simply create a new layer and change its blend mode from normal to overlay, then paint. And now I will also add some light here, to make it more realistic. And you can try this on different photos. Please click on the like button if you liked my trick. See you.